being held captive? And you're paying your own ransom month after month, but they never let you go? Well, you have kidnappers doing this to you right now. I'm talking about cloud storage services like Dropbox, Google Drive, or OneDrive. While they do provide a valuable service, they force you to pay up to $20 month after month when it only costs them pennies. And they make you feel like you're stuck with them. Don't forget your video host, Vimeo, could easily be grabbing $40 a month out of your pocket. Same with your web hosting company. Even if you're with one of the cheapy hosts like HostGator, you're still probably paying $20 or more month after month, and you're stuck there too. Add those all up and you're paying more than $3,500 per year. $35,000 over 10 years. That's enough for a car. And you probably feel trapped, stuck with them because you don't want to lose websites, files, videos, or sales. Well, here's a dirty little secret. Those companies you're making big monthly payments to are paying pennies for the services they provide. That's right, they're tucking in a hefty profit from you every month. That's the real reason they make it seem like you can't take your business elsewhere. Well, friend, I've got some good news for you. You can stop those money leaks right here, right now. Presenting OrangeSuite. We saw what they're doing to you and everyone else and decided to break the chains binding you to their services once and for all. Introducing OrangeSuite. OrangeSuite has all the important services you need. Reliable web hosting for your websites, solid and secure cloud hosting for your important files and documents, and lightning-fast video hosting and delivery. All in one service with no monthly payments. That's right, there's only a single low payment. And you may think that's the best part, but it's not. You can even make money with your OrangeSuite account with the included commercial license. Here's what you get. OrangeHost gives you unlimited hosting for all the websites you have now and in the future. You don't have to worry about hitting limits because bandwidth, domains, email addresses, backups, databases, and subdomains are completely unlimited. No more hitting that last week of the month and your website screeching to a halt or going dark because you got too much traffic. And no slowdowns that hurt your sales and your Google placements. OrangeHost is blazing fast, so your websites always get seen. What about your important files and documents that you store in a cloud host like Dropbox? OrangeBox has got you covered. A huge amount of secure encrypted storage for safely storing all those files and documents you can't live without away from your hard drive where they could be lost. OrangeBox is simple to use and gives you total peace of mind with our Smart Auto 365-day backup. Access from anywhere, share without limits. This is your total solution for your important files. Orange Video is the jewel in our crown, giving you the power to host unlimited videos with ad-free embeddable players. You'll get lightning-fast loading on your videos, so no more buffering, pausing, or stopping. Your videos play straight through every time. Your videos hosted on Orange Video are SEO friendly, with all formats supported, plus full social sharing to take advantage of viral traffic. We even give you the tools you need to create professional quality videos in a flash. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Remember at the start I said you could add a new income stream to your business? That's the best part of all. We're including a commercial license with your OrangeSuite account so you can share access with your friends, family, and clients. Remember, they're paying big bucks every month just like you used to before you joined OrangeSuite. They'll save a ton. You'll be a hero, and you'll keep 100% of the money. That's right, no fees, no commissions, no royalties. It's all yours. No other service offers this. Finally, if you're an action taker, you can get our Fast Action bonus. The first 50 buyers will get a premium agency website loaded right into their OrangeHost account. This ready-to-go, done-for-you website will make it a breeze for you to bring OrangeSuite's cost-saving services to everyone you know, or even don't know. It'll do all the selling for you, so you can start making profits from day one. But you have to act quickly. This $497 value bonus will disappear if you delay. To show you how confident we are that you'll love OrangeSuite, we're not going to give you a 365-day money-back guarantee. Try every bit of OrangeSuite, put all 3 services to the test. We're confident that once you start using OrangeSuite, and especially profiting from OrangeSuite, you'll want to stay forever. Scroll down to get all the details and hit the button to grab your OrangeSuite access today. And stop feathering the nests of those big birds with your hard-earned cash.